Some iPhone 14 users reported that their device won't charge when in airplane mode. This issue is often caused by software bugs, loose lightning cables, or battery calibration errors. Luckily, with some simple troubleshooting, you can get your iPhone charging properly again, even with airplane mode activated. Before we continue, please take a moment to like our video or share it with your friends who may be having issues with their devices. It would be a great help to us. Now let's get started with our tips. Force restart your iPhone. Perform a force restart on your iPhone to eliminate any residual software bugs that hinder the charging process. This process clears away temporary malfunctions, thus re-enabling normal charging function. To initiate a force restart on your iPhone, begin by promptly pressing and releasing the volume up button. Proceed quickly to do the same with the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Upon seeing the Apple logo, release the power key. This series of actions will allow your iPhone to restart itself and hopefully cleanse out any temporary malfunctions that were hindering its normal operations. Inspect the charging cable. Confirm that your lightning cable is intact and fits firmly into the charging port. A loosened cable can hinder a stable electrical connection needed for effective charging. You need to visually check each end of the cable for signs of wear and tear or damage. You should also ensure that when you introduce the cable into the iPhone port, it fits securely and doesn't wobble. Update to iOS version. It's critical to install the most recent iOS updates, as they often include optimizations for charging your device. Updating your iOS eradicates any software bugs that might be hampering your iPhone's charging capabilities. To check for an update, navigate through your iPhone by selecting Settings, followed by General, and then Software Update. From here, you can download and install the latest available version of iOS. With these tips, you should be able to get your iPhone 14 to charge while in airplane mode. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.